Most of the SEO settings for your experience are configured in your settings panel, but optimizations can also be applied to assets on the canvas. Let's take a look at alt tags and alt text. You can add alt tags to images by clicking on the image and scrolling down in the design panel until you see Alt Tag Plus. Click the plus sign and a field will appear where you can copy, paste, or write in your tags. This will be super helpful not only for SEO purposes, but also for accessibility. Another feature to keep in mind is the ability to mark text components as different HTML elements in the studio. If you click on a text box on your canvas and mouse over to the design panel, you'll see the HTML element box at the very bottom. Here you can designate the type of element each text component in your design is, such as header or paragraph. This is another feature that can help with SEO as well as accessibility. In the next video, we'll wrap up the lesson with a summary of our best practices for SEO.